Let's slide! Whoa! Awesome!
LivelyDino! Eating the rainbow!
Hey kids! Let's have lots of fun with fruits and learn about their colors. Today we have Libi, the gentle dino who loves colors and exploring new things. Oh, there she is! Hi everyone! Say hello to Libi!
Hey kids, it's so nice to meet you! Today we are going to learn about rainbow and fruits and 3D printer!
Whoa, that's so exciting! A 3D printer? But first, do you know that rainbow colors can be found in fruits?
Yes!
That's great, Libi! So Libi, can you tell all the boys and girls all the colors?
Sure! Red!
Red. And red is for cherry.
Orange!
Yes, orange. The color and the fruit both have the same name. Hey Libi, slow down, slow down.
My favorite, and this is yellow.
Ah, yellow for bananas. Rainbow slide, ready, go!
Yay!
Libi, we had so much fun with the rainbow slide. But do you know that it was made by a 3D printer? A 3D printer is a machine that prints an object layer by layer.
Like a rainbow cake? Yum yum!
Libi, kinda. You can actually use a 3D printer to print anything you can imagine. And here we have printed a rainbow slide for our rainbow fruits. Hey Libi, are you still there? This color looks great. It looks healthy and looks like vegetables.
Green!
Awesome, Libi. Now off you go to the slide.
Oh, hi! Blue!
Cool, blue. Do you know that there are not many fruits that's blue? But if there's one, it's blueberry. So let's slide.
I'm feeling dizzy.
Hey, Libi, are you okay?
Yes, and this is indigo and violet.
Yes, that's right. And let's do one more slide.
Can we please see the rainbow already?
Yes, but let's feel the texture first. Like this orange is kinda rough on the skin.
And this bunch of bananas, the skin feels thick and quite smooth.
And this is a kiwi, and I can feel it's quite hairy.
And this is a small blueberry. And a plum.
Alright kids, and now we are going to place all the delicious fruits here on the cutting board and start preparing the rainbow fruits. Okay, let's cut the cherry. And let's peel the orange. The skin is quite thick. Peeling off the banana skin is very easy. The hairy kiwi skin, we have to cut it away with a knife. And we have the blueberries and they are ready to eat. And finally, we cut the plum into small pieces. And
Let's eat the rainbow!
let's eat the rainbow! Thanks for watching, kids. Stay tuned for more adventures with Libi, the lively Dino. See you again. Bye bye.